Dr. Dastan, Chair of the Mathematics and Natural Sciences Department. I'm representing our department here, which is one of the biggest departments at AUIS, American University of Iraq at Suleimani. The main role of our department is to support deeper understanding and problem solving skills for all of our students at all of the departments. There are some very interesting courses that we offer in our department. One of those courses is called Physical Science, where students are taking various parts of science, including physics, chemistry, the atmosphere, and geology. In this course, we actually go through the history of the Earth, starting from how Earth is initially developed and formed, and then all the way how in the past 500–600 million years, how all of the geographical locations evolved to what we can see here. We give them direct access to NASA-related data, and then students are able in the class to perform assignments with the latest data that is actually provided by NASA and also NOAA, which are part of the US government.
The Math and Science Center has been here for a while. Now we have a lot of our ex-tutors that have graduated and now are working in international companies and international schools with a lot of experience gained here.